Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 17th, 2025, and we're diving into Webster Financial's fourth quarter 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Webster Financial, the holding company for Webster Bank, has just released their Q4 2024 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their adjusted EPS to their strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Webster Financial reported a revenue of $661 million for the fourth quarter. How does this compare to their profitability, John?
Webster's net income for the quarter was $173.6 million, translating to an adjusted EPS of 143 cents. This is a beat against the forecasted EPS of 136 from 8 analysts. Despite some challenges, Webster has managed to maintain strong profitability.
What factors contributed to this performance?
Their strategic repositioning of securities and a deferred tax asset valuation adjustment were significant. Excluding these, the adjusted EPS reflects their operational strength and cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Webster's net interest margin improved slightly to 3.39%. How does this impact their operational efficiency?
The improvement in net interest margin, along with an efficiency ratio of 44.80%, indicates that Webster is effectively managing its resources. This positions them well for future growth, as highlighted by CEO John Ciulla, who emphasized their investments in technology and human capital.
What can we expect from Webster moving forward?
Webster is focusing on enhancing their capital and liquidity, which should support their growth initiatives. Their strategic investments are expected to yield positive results in the coming quarters.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, let's delve into Webster's segment performance. How did their different business units fare?
Webster's commercial banking segment reported $40.6 billion in loans, showing a steady growth. Healthcare financial services, boosted by the acquisition of Ametros, generated $120.3 million in revenue. Meanwhile, consumer banking saw deposits rise to $27.3 billion, reflecting strong customer engagement.
How do these segments align with their strategic goals?
Each segment is contributing to Webster's overarching strategy of diversification and growth. Their focus on healthcare and consumer banking is particularly strategic, given the evolving market dynamics.
Risk management and asset quality. Risk management is crucial for any financial institution. How is Webster handling this aspect?
Webster has set aside $63.5 million for credit losses, reflecting a cautious approach. Their non-performing loans stand at $461.3 million, which is 0.88% of total loans. The allowance for credit losses is at 1.31%, indicating a robust buffer against potential defaults.
Does this suggest any concerns for investors?
While the increase in non-performing loans is something to watch, Webster's proactive measures and strong capital ratios provide reassurance. They are well positioned to manage these risks effectively.
Key takeaways. In summary, Webster Financial has delivered a solid performance in Q4 2024 with a revenue of $661 million and an adjusted EPS of 143, beating expectations. Their strategic focus and operational efficiencies are commendable. John, any final thoughts?
Webster's ability to navigate challenges and invest in growth is impressive. They are a company to watch, especially with their strong segment performances and risk management strategies.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Webster's performance in the comments below.